Trains in Montreal. Here I am, Pointe Claire Station, on a rainy day around 3 o'clock, maybe 3:30 p.m. with the CN freight train here in the rain, heading eastbound. Just got here. I'm intending to take the 411, of course. Won't be sticking around. The 10th of July, 2024, with the remnants of Hurricane Beryle barreling down on Montreal, and I just happened to find the one spot that doesn't have all kinds of foliage, so I can see the train. And, the rain is rather heavy now, so hopefully this is going to come through quickly. Don't usually take videos in the rain like this, but it's here. That's it. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.